Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to show you where you can find your child's work, the feedback that they have been given, and the progress that they are making. So all you need to do is ask your child to log in to their email account. We work in an app called Teams. It's like our online classroom. So you can see that this child is in the Year 4 team, the Vietnamese team, and the Mandarin team. I want to look at the assignments today. If you click here on assignments, this is where you can see all of your child's work. So I'm going to choose Year 4 because I want to see English and math. And you can see that this child has no assignments to hand in. That means that they have done everything they need to do for English and math. Down here, you can see which assignments they've already completed. So this child has completed 6 tasks already. You can see some are math, some are English, and one is IPC. To see your child's assignment, their grade, and their feedback, all you have to do is click on the task. So here, I'm going to see their math task. If you want to see their actual work, what they did, then you can just open this file. Up here, you will see a description, the instructions of what they had to do. And over here, you will see the feedback, what message I gave to your child. If there are points, you can see your points right here. Okay? So again, you just go here to assignments. If there's something missing, you will find it here under assigned. And any completed assignments you can find down here. I'll show you another one. Sir Isaac Newton Research Project. So here you can see the instructions. Here you can see his work. If you want, you can open this to see the actual work. And over here, you'll see the feedback or the comment that I've given to your child. Okay, that's it. That is how you can stay up to date with what your child is doing, the progress that they are making, and the feedback that they are given. As always, if you need any help, please just contact me. It is my pleasure to help you. All right, have a great day. Bye, everyone.